just right, all in place. And here it can be a bit more precise. Yes, we are good. We have our little parking space. I'm going to lower it a bit. Insulation after all. Bottom of the thread. We will just finish the pipe. And if you calibrate well, cut properly, and then calibrate again, it will all fit in place effortlessly. We are going to mark the correct height. Proper calibration. So ideal. Proper calibration. Calibrate properly if possible. Insert the nut into the compression ring and place the taps in. The top of the tap must be secure. We should not apply very large forces there. There is a seal in between. If we apply very large forces, we will damage the seal. Nut, compression ring, there. Now you can see that the tap is tilted. That's not a problem at all. You take the enclosed bottom, you straighten it. We are going to work on removing our clamp. I just mentioned that this is a sanitary connector, and then we will create a central heating connector for it. Then we will screw in the plugs. Because for sanitary, we do not need ventilation. The ventilation occurs through the tap. This means that when we open the hot water tap, for example, we allow all the air bubbles to escape with the tap. We tighten the stop. I have used stops with an O-ring. But you can also take an O-ring and simply tighten it with grease or Loctite. That works too. So, nicely tightened, mechanically secure with the wrench, perfectly in order. And what are we going to do next? That is actually collector tuning. The same as when we do auto tuning or bike tuning. Then we will mark our pipes. And I really find this something very fun to do. So, then you can say yes, but this is already rotten.